Hello dear customers, my name is Frank Blase. I'm CEO and entrepreneur of Igus. Today is November 10, 2020. I show you the New York Times of today, so you know that it's exactly that date. I've personally been occupied with the COVID situation since January. We have not had 1 minute of stop at Igus in Germany and just a few hours in one other plant, namely the United States, during the whole time since COVID. I count right now roughly 250 measures that we took here in Cologne to keep running. Our latest measures are that we do the very fast 10-minute testing for every new visitor that enters our halls. For example, job applicants and suppliers or technicians to do necessary work on new installations. We are running, we are delivering 5,000 orders a day, and please take a look at all the things in detail that you see in our factory right now as we speak to keep things running. Thank you for watching. We have 120 new products this year. You can see them live with visitors on our hybrid physical virtual exhibition. We are delivering faster than ever. People are accepting our innovations. So tech up, cost down. It's my job to you. That's our motto. Thank you and see you soon.